Hi guys, welcome back. Guys, welcome back. Let's talk about this one. Let's tackle this one very fast. Guys, I don't think what I'm going to say is wrong. I don't think so. But maybe others will find it wrong. Guys, in the marriage, what applies to the right should apply to the left. Musa is always on the case of abafazi bakhe uthi abagqoki kahle, hey fanele ugqoke kanje, ungagqoki tight, ungagqoki this, ungagqoki that. Musa, that one, yo, ki number one. Every day Musa has got a problem with the way this one is dressing, the way this one is dressed. Kanjalo, kanjalo. So now I'm thinking, even these wives, they've got a right to tell umuyeni wabo ukuthi papa ukhulile jwanong, ukhulile, your body is no longer like before, so you have to dress appropriately. This thing of Musa okugqoka amajini athathe ama-golf shirt atake in, it doesn't really look nice, and it doesn't work for him. Body yaka Musa, it's no longer that body ya khale kwa. Musa ugainile weight and ugaina weight around the waist. I think it goes with age. So Musa tshwantsana apare diaparonyana tse ka reng di loose. Fanele a qoke lawa abo madiba shirt so. The shirtnyana tse ka reng di loose. Bona, look at this button. This button it can just pop anytime. Where he's holding a red jacket, just have a look at that button. That button can pop anytime. So yena, he doesn't see ukuthi akagqoki kahle. But mina, I'm blaming abafazi bakhe. They are the ones who are supposed to say, papa, awa apara hantle, that shirt is a little bit too small. That golf t-shirt, it's a little bit not okay. Just bamutu say they must just change wardrobe yakhe. Agqoke ama loose shirts. You understand? Even if it's a golf shirt like this, there's no need for him to tuck it and then a sharp belt. There's where he's wearing a skinny jean. Kanjani? But guys, even women, they have a right to tell amadoda ukuthi no, you are not dressed appropriately. Musa is a father of so many kids. Musa is a husband of so many wives. So he must dress appropriately as well. What kind of a skinny jean is this? With a golf shirt now, you're takile, and then you see yourself as, this is not on. This is not on. These women, they've got a right to bamtshela ukuthi babakhe awugqokanga kahle. Khumula ugqoke le shirt engathi inkulunyana engathi yabona loose kancane. So it's not only him who's supposed to tell these women ukuthi abagqokanga kahle. They've got a right ukuthi bamtshela ukuthi babakhe awuphumi unje. Go back to the bedroom and dress again. Dress appropriately. Now if it's my husband, ngamtshela ukuthi babakhe, I bought you ama shirt anje ozozogqoka. When you go with me, you have to dress like this. You understand? Yeah. So that's what I'm thinking. Guys, I don't know. Anyways, let's meet on the other video, guys. Just subscribe, and if you find time, and like. Thank you. Bye.